ACER has meddled together some of the greatest modern hardware to make the Predator ORION 3000, a stylish pre-built PC with enough oomph for gaming and productivity. It flaunts an 11th gen Intel Core i7 processor coupled with a GeForce RTX 3070, making this an excellent setup for streaming among other computing tasks like encoding video. This unit can also be shipped with up to 64 gigs of DDR4 memory and 2 TB of SSD storage, ideal for quick boot time and the time it takes to launch a game. The ORION 3000 runs really quietly without any thermal throttling, thanks to the 2 Frostblade fans, while the lighting of the vertical light bars is fully customizable to match your setup. Overall, this pre-built offers fast performance for most AAA titles and also upgradable for future needs. Gaming love at first sight. Meet the HP OMEN 30L, a pre-built gaming PC that offers decent gaming power to suit your budget. With a 10th gen Intel Core i9 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 Ti graphics card, you can play next-gen games at 1440p with ease. Furthermore, it can be configured up to 64 gigs of RAM and a 2 TB SSD, making this pre-built PC an excellent option for entry-level gamers. Designed with a large fan in front and elevated feet, it keeps the PC cool even on the heaviest load so that you can concentrate on winning. With tempered glass front and side panels, a full metal frame, and complete RGB control, the HP OMEN 30L will enhance the beauty of your gaming desk and is surely worth checking out. Experience uncompromising performance with the DELL ALIENWARE Aurora Ryzen Edition R10, a gaming PC that boasts undeniably incredible performance even the pros agree on. At a first glance, you will be stunned by seeing its lunar light chassis that has Alien FX RGB lighting up front to enhance the aesthetics. It rocks an 8-core AMD Ryzen 7 5800 processor under a high-performance liquid CPU cooler to boost up your gameplay even more. Now about the graphics card, which is a highly capable AMD Radeon RX 6800 XT that will enable you to play games in 4K at chart-topping frame rates. The Aurora R10 can be kitted out with up to 128GB memory, running in dual channel, and offers up to 2 TB NVMe SSD for fast boot and game load times. Overall, with the iconic design, high-end components, and other premium features, the Alienware Aurora Ryzen Edition R10 will deliver you the best pre-built gaming PC experience. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with